Hi guys, welcome to my blog. Well, you might be wondering what we are doing when we are about to eat. Well, I am the one who cooks it. I first put the garlic, then onion, and mix it all together until it turns golden brown. Next, put the ginger in it and mix it again until you smell the aroma of the ginger. Then put the meat in it. Don't worry, I washed my hands. Then mix and mix it so that the meat is evenly cooked. Mix and mix and mix it. Next, after it turns a little brown, put the water in it, soy sauce, vinegar, and the black pepper to add flavor in it. Then laurel to make it more aromatic. Close it and wait until it all boils and put the potatoes. Then my brother is the one who fixes the table. He gets the plates, spoons, and fixes the table for us to eat. He also gets the water and glass for us to drink water. Next is the rice. He will carry it to the table so that we can all eat without interruptions. Then I put the food in and tada! This is our food for today. Then my mother puts the rice on the plates. Let's eat! And then after that, I give the food to my cats and dogs. Then my brother fixes the table again after we eat. He fixes the chairs and gets the plates to the sink. He polishes the table so that it doesn't get sticky and gets the rice and washes the plates. He then washes all the plates in our sink. He washes it thoroughly so there will be no dirt left. Look at how hardworking he is. He does this every time. If I cook, then he will wash the dishes. If my mom cooks, then I will wash the dishes. And that's the end. That's all for today. See you in my next vlog.